Wiring NEMA 1450 plugs for loads that do not use neutral. I am adding a cable to connect Tesla Gen 3 wall connector to a NEMA 1450 outlet using a NEMA 1450 plug. NEMA 1450 outlet supplies 4 wires neutral, ground and 2 hots. Tesla wall connector, on the other hand, needs only 3 wires ground and 2 hots. Is it allowed to leave the neutral pin open inside the NEMA 1450 plug? If it is not allowed or not desirable, what should I do about it? Question from user Sergey Kalinichenko at Stack Exchange. Answer: that is fine. Just because the 1450 socket offers both hots and neutral doesn't mean the appliance needs to take it. Now, let's do a few health checks on this circuit. On a NEMA 1450, the breaker must be 50A or 40A, and the wires must be at least large enough for that ampacity. The wall connector can go as high as 60A or 80A, but the NEMA 1450 socket and plug cannot. So the wall connector must be commissioned to